Hey guys, it's your girl Sheila, and I'm here with another reaction. Why Me, Lord? Why Me? It's performed by live 1974 in Memphis by Elvis Presley. Let's hear it.
Thank you. I'd like to ask J.D. Sumner and the Stamps to sing one of my favorite songs, Why Me, Lord?
Why me, Lord? What have I ever done to deserve even one of the pleasures I've known? Tell me, Lord, what did I ever do to deserve loving you and the kindness you show? Oh, help me, Jesus, I wasted it, so help me, Jesus, I know what I needed you, so help me, Jesus, my soul's in your hands. Try me, Lord, if you think there's a way I can ever repay all I've taken from you. Maybe, Lord, I can show someone else what I've been through myself on my way back to you. Lord, help me, Jesus, I wasted it, so help me, Jesus, I know what I needed you, so help me, Jesus, my soul's in your hands. Jesus, my soul's in your
Thank you. Thank you very much.
That was beautiful. And the way it started in the beginning, that was beautiful. And Elvis, again, such an inspiration. His music, again, is transcend. It is here. It is here no matter what time, no matter what genre. His music is here, and it's here to stay forever. We love you, Elvis. Thank you for that song. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Wow. Why me, Lord? Don't we ask ourselves that every day? Why me? Why me? Y'all share this out. Subscribe. Become part of our family so we can get more of these Elvis and other reactions out there. Thank you. To the next video.
Ooh.